Yo, what's good, Sneak family? It's your boy ReggieJaySneakz coming at you guys today with the new video. Today's video, I'm going to make my way to Nike outlet. Go ahead and get you guys another Nike outlet vlog. I'm trying to get us some deals, see if we can find some new releases, as well as just see what we can find in there. You already know it's always a hit or miss when we go to these Nike outlets. But however, before we get into that, you guys already know what I need you guys to do. I need you guys to stop what you guys are doing, drop a like, as well as subscribe. And if you guys are new to the channel or old, make sure you guys have a notification bell on so you guys know when I drop a new video and what I am dropping. Also, Sneak family, I know I did not forget about you guys. I have reviews coming. I have some more car stuff, car videos coming, some mods and everything else that I've been doing to my car. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe. But Sneak family, with all that being said, in the meantime, you guys, we're gonna get you guys straight over to the that was the whole video. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole video, Sneak family. I know I did. We did find some good things in it, even though the video was pretty short. I know we found the Be True 720s as well as the 90s. We found some Air Max 95s for the ladies, as well on the men's side. We found the Ferrari 14s. We found the Ray Island 7s. We found the Vapor Max Pluses for the guys and the girls. New things as well as old things. You guys, the Flynet 4s that supposed to have been dropped a while back, but they ended up dropping when hit to the outlet. Found a lot of other little things here and there on the back rack. The store was 30% off, and I know right now they still running that promotion code where you get the extra 30% off on the friends and family. So make sure you guys check your Nike app. So if you guys do have those friends and family coupons, go to your Nike outlet because you do get the additional on top of whatever so they have in the store. But Sneak family, like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, make sure you guys like the video as well as subscribe. And if you guys are new to the video or old, make sure you guys have the notification bell on. And don't forget to share this video with your friends because we are trying to grow the channel. If you guys keep sharing the videos with your friends, then more people will come and then more opportunities will come along, and then you guys will be able to go on the whole journey with me, all behind the scenes. So Sneak family, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'll see you guys on the next one. And yeah, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media, which is ReggieJaySneakz. All those links will be down in the description down below. That's Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Snub. I'll see you guys on the next one, Sneak family. So in the meantime, I'm out of here. Peace.